Hello everyone, today we will be doing the group anagrams problem on Leetcode. So here's the question, given an array of strings str, group the anagrams together, you can return the answer in any order. An anagram is a word or a phrase that's formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So Mm, and a bunch of sample inputs are given here. Let me copy them. Let me paste them here. Let me paste them here. So let me take two anagrams and show what an anagram is first. Um, Let us consider NAT and TAN. NAT is just TAN rearranged. So let's start by observing the qualities of anagrams. So first quality that we can observe is all of them will have the same length. First, length will be same. Another quality which can be observed is that when we convert this into a list and when we sort the list, both of them will be equal. So mm, this li of list of nat will be equal to list of tan. So keeping this in mind, we can group them together. So this is the criteria for similarity. Anagram. Let us try to work out a brute force solution first. So we could have, let me select one of the examples and try to work this out. So first element here is eat. The length of all the elements here is 3. I believe, yes, the length can be variable, I guess. So we can start by grouping elements with the same length together. So for example, for that we can do this. Find the minimum length and find max length and check for anagrams in the middle range. So This is going to be our first step. Then we can use that to find anagrams and group them together. So we can have an output array. In the output array, we start with for each length. We first start with uh, a list with the first element, say eat here. We go to t and see if it is an anagram with eat. If it We check t it is if it is an anagram with eat. So, and if it is an anagram, we do eat dot append and make this to eat slash t. Then we go to after that we go to this thing. Tan is not an anagram, so if it is not an anagram, we create a new list and add tan there. And then we move to the next one. 8 is not a t e. 8 is anagram with t. So we can append this here. We can append 8 here. Then next we get nat and tan are anagrams, so we can append this and get this list. 8 comma, and then bat is not an anagram with any of these, so we can create a separate array for bat. This should work. Let me try to code this out. Oh, min length equal to minimum of 8. Let me let me try this and see if we get the minimum and maximum length. Rows E. 0 0 and 1 1. Yes. So got this. This works. Now let us try to do this. This is the tricky part. So for that we'll do for I in min we print and see if it works. We'll do maximum plus 1 and see if it works. Because sure, this worked. Element. So now we'll first find out the strings which have which have the same length. For that we can do length equal to where length of let me print and see if it works. Let me see if this works. Length of E see if I get this. This works. P for E and STRs. If E, if length of E equal to I. Let me run this and see. E. Yep, it worked. So fractional for fractional for Li in fractional underscore output. No, we can iterate through this. For Li for element for string in strs underscore equal underscore length. Strings for string strs underscore equal length. First just a second. We can do list of string Li in fractional output. group list equal, we can do for group and fractional output, we can do list equal to group list of group dot zero dot sort. We can now, if li equal to or group dot append string, not append, then we, if we could go ahead and create a new thing, frac for output, and we could append we can append the string in a list. Let us let me print frac and see what I get. Yes, it's working. So now we can just uh, we can have output also as a variable here. Output equal to output dot extend fractional. Let me print output and see what we get. Let this and see what we get. Let me return output and see what I get, what we get here. Yep, it worked. Let me submit this and see if it worked. I think it failed a test case. Yes. Let me try this in -1. Let me submit that and see if it works. Let me just do plus. Submit that. Again, it's failing in one test case. So what if we just let me think we need this. Fractional output. Let me see if this works. Let me see if this worked. So by using this find min find max, uh, we had a problem of missing an edge case here. Now this looks like it's a bit too computationally expensive. Let me look at the constraints. Wow, that's a lot of inputs. Wow. So again, let me try the old method and see if we can figure out something. What if we start from 0 and just to right? Run this and see if it works. Let me copy the case where we are failing. I'll paste the case here. I'll go back to run it again and see where we are making mistakes. Let me print length and run. Print Move this to a list so that runs a range object. Let me try this +1 and let me print all the strings also so that let me see. Yep, so here is the problem. This loop is executing only once. So we need to figure out why this loop is run. Run it. Oh. So the problem there was, let me see if it works. Wow, this worked. This was one of the slower solutions, but at least this was relatively memory efficient. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Wow.